Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. I'm so excited to be back. It's been about 2 months and I got some dies for you guys. I have a pile here that was sent to me and I will have an update of what I've been up to and at the end. So stay tuned for that. And I just want to show you the dies that I got from Scrapdivadesigns. There's a Halloween die that got stuck there. Okay, so you guys, I'm sure you've seen a lot of these, and if you're new, welcome. If you look at my playlist and see if you like any of my videos. If you do, I would love for you guys to be part of my team, so hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's get on into it. So this is scrapdivadesigns.com. I'm part of her design team, and this is her information here. She has a YouTube, an Instagram, and a TikTok, and a Pinterest. Be sure to check it out. I will have most of them linked below. So check that out. So here is one of the dies. This die right here is a ghost for an album, and I just love this ghost. I was so excited to finally get it, as Halloween is my favorite season to craft with. It used to be Christmas, but I swapped over to Halloween when I started doing my Halloween series. So I couldn't do that this year, but I had a lot going on this year. So this ghost is for albums. You could use it for anything. I've seen so many amazing crafters coming up with creative ideas. This is the hashtag here. And don't mind my nails, won't go there. Okay, so it also comes with the sentiment. It comes with eyes, eyelashes. Oh, here's her information as well. Forgive me, I'm all over the place. This is my first video. I feel like I haven't did a video in like a year or so. Okay, so you get the bow as well. So you could create albums, boxes, bags, backpacks, so many things everyone's been doing. Okay, let's get on into it. We have Christmas as well. This is a bear. It's one of a Christmas bear, and it has so much other elements to it, and a lot of people have been creating these. So I got some word pieces. This one says, "Hey Winter." This one says, "He's for Santa." I believe that's what that says. Forgive me if I'm wrong. This one says "Cuddle Winter." That's going to be some cute sentiments for cards or anything else. This is like a reindeer face. I've seen this already and I love it. I love what other crafters have been making. I'm so excited to get this one as well. This one has been around. This is a Santa bow. You get the base, you get the layer, you get Santa boots or Santa Claus boots, and you also get this right here, which I think is a band. The other side, you get the legs as a base and layering piece, and you also get a different size bow, the base, and the layering piece. I can't wait to craft with these, you guys. This is a memory dex, and it's an ornament with some candy canes, which I love. And look at that, you also get a word piece that says Jolly. So how cute is this memory dex gonna be? I've already seen it as well. You guys have to follow the hashtag, that hashtag right there, Scrapdivadesigns. You'll go ahead and you'll find some amazing projects using these dies. So this is a heart face, and it comes with a bow, it comes with lashes, it comes with a base as well as a layering piece, and it also comes with some of these swirls, which I believe are centers for the bow. I'm also having some, it looks like flower poinsettias here. So yeah, these are going to be super small poinsettias, and I think they're going to be so cute once I decorate that. How cute is this gingerbread? I love it. I can't wait to play with this one. This one is so cute. It's a memory dex, comes with a base, a layering piece, also some, it looks like some like clothes that you could decorate the gingy with, as well as a bow, flower, hearts, buttons as well, swirlies like for icing, and a face, and that's all there. We got some alphas here. So this is some alphas along with the question mark, and as well as the and sign. I believe that's an and or S. Yeah, I think that's an S. So the question mark is the extra, and this looks like some sort of like a candy cane mint or mint type of style. So this is the layering piece, this is the base. That's going to be very festive. And this one, oh my goodness, if you guys have to follow the hashtag, because this, I've seen so many amazing projects, like I don't know how everyone is coming up with all of these ideas. Check it out, you guys. This is a present box. You could make so much with this, a box, a backpack, embellishment box. You can make, oh my goodness, tags. It could be for a tag for a huge gift if you're gifting something, for a scrapbook layout. Imagine a picture right here along with 3 of these gift boxes on your layout. How cute would that be? So it does come with the base, and also comes with 2 layering pieces, as well as the bow. On the other side here is the bow, such a cute bow, and right here is the layering piece for the top. You guys, I have a little place for cards in my heart. This is a slimline card. This is going to be so cute as a slimline card. Such a cute little house. You could also make it into a memory dex, a box. It could be in your scrapbook layouts. It could also be a huge tag. You can make a tag with it as well. So cute. Not only that, we got some stamps. I'm so excited to play with all of these dies. I have a huge pile, you guys. Help me get through it. I need a little V helper to come and help me. So you have the stamps here. It has so many words. It has, I'm just going to say a few. Fa la la, merry and bright, you know, your usual special holiday treat, along with some dies. And these, if you can see, I know I have a glare here, but they're tags and a gift, a present in here. I don't want to open it until I get into it. So you got a base gift box, and you have the layering, which I believe, and also the tags. Oh, that's going to be so cute to play with. Okay, you guys, you know I've made a few albums. I love albums, so this is going to be amazing to use in an album, but trying to get rid of that glare. It says place photo here for all of them, and then you also have like the emoji signs, a handwritten and an envelope, a pencil. It says together, it says with, date, time, location. This is also can be used as an invitation piece if you have a party coming up, like date, time, location, at. So yeah, as well as your scrapbook layouts and albums and journals. You could put, you know, a stamp that says place photo here. Amazing. So that is all. Oh, I have one more that I opened, and I want to share that with you as well. This one is a Halloween one. I have already opened it, but look at this. This is a witch bow, and these are all the pieces that you get. You get so many pieces, and you get so many layers. So for the small layer, you can make something like this. This is black, but let me move that out of the way. But you can make something like this, and look at those layers. So this is just a prototype that I was just playing around with. I already have something in mind that I have already made, which I will be sharing a video very soon. But okay, you guys, this is the video, and check out Scrap Diva Designs. I will be posting so many videos, and it will be nonstop. Hey, if you stayed this long, thank you so much. If you stayed this long, I have a giveaway for you, and I'm so excited to share this giveaway from Scrap Diva Designs. She is amazing, and I also want to thank her for sticking with me while in my YouTube hiatus. And thank you so much, Erica. She is amazing. So you guys, I have a giveaway. 3 winners will win one of these. So the first prize per se would be this one that says Cookies for Santa. First prize. Second prize, a Cuddle Winter. So Cuddle Winter. Such a cute die. The next one is Hello Winter. So this is the giveaway and I got doubles by accident. This is why I'm having a giveaway. So thank you so much, Erica. So you guys, all you have to do is comment some bees down below and you will be entered to win one of these. You have to be 18 years of age or older. Follow Erica, visit her website. It's scrapdivadesigns.com. I will have her YouTube channel linked below. So she's Scrap Diva 29 here on YouTube. Follow her, like this video, comment some bees, and be 18, US resident only, and you will be entered to win. I'm so excited to get into these dies. So now for the update. So some of you guys know that I took a break and I thought it was going to be until next year I would be coming back. However, the extra things that have been happening at home, I was able to set a schedule for myself on how to incorporate my crafting back into my life. And so I'm slowly coming back to YouTube, and when coming back to YouTube, I know some of my other social medias are going to take a back seat. So unfortunately, TikTok will take a back seat. So I will be focusing on YouTube, then Instagram, then TikTok, then Pinterest. And so that's where I'm at right now. But I'm so excited to be back and crafting again and sharing all of my projects with you guys. And I can't wait to interact with you guys as well in the comments. And stay tuned for more projects, you guys. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.